Sometimes a situation might come up where you need to pause an order to purchase something else. Instead of deleting the order you have been working on, SOL allows for users to hold an order to complete later. To hold an order, let's start on the cart page, and at the top of the order, click the Hold Order button. Now name the order. This can be anything. Since you can hold multiple orders, make sure you keep it unique. Afterwards, click Confirm. And just like that, we have a held order. To bring that order back into your cart, you'll need to get to the held orders list. Like always, this can be found in My Henry Schein and clicking on Orders on Hold. Once you have the list of held orders in front of you, you have a few options. Click the View button to check what is in the order. If you no longer need this order, click the Remove button. Lastly, to bring the order back into your cart and continue it, click the Confirm button. With the products back in your cart, you can continue with your order or finish up and check out.